Hello everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the Coros Pod 2, a cutting-edge running accessory designed to take your workout data to the next level. Let's see if this gadget lives up to the hype. The Coros Pod 2 is a sleek, lightweight device crafted for runners looking to enhance their training regimen. It's compatible with various Coros GPS sports watches, making it an ideal companion for serious athletes. Designed with discretion in mind, the Coros Pod 2 is compact, weighing just 0.2 ounces. It's made of durable fiber-reinforced plastic and boasts a water resistance rating of 3 atm, ensuring reliability even in challenging conditions. Setting up the Coros Pod 2 is straightforward. After a quick charge using the included dock, it seamlessly pairs with your Coros watch via Bluetooth. This connectivity ensures real-time data synchronization during your runs. What sets the Coros Pod 2 apart is its comprehensive data collection capabilities. Whether clipped to your shoe or waistband, it tracks metrics like distance, pace, cadence, stride length, and more. This detailed data is invaluable for improving your running technique and performance. During testing, the Coros Pod 2 delivered in-depth post-workout summaries, offering insights into running form, ground contact time, stride balance, and even real-time weather conditions. These metrics are vital for fine-tuning your training approach. Overall, the Coros Pod 2 excels as a premium running companion, providing extensive data to help you optimize your training and recovery. If you're invested in improving your running performance, this device is worth considering. That wraps up our review of the Coros Pod 2. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth product critiques. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Product Critique.